I built it from scratch. That's why I put that thing in the front, because everybody thinks, oh, is this a Slingshot or T-Rex or something else?
Right.
I'm a retired engineer. I had known somebody that had a companion T-Rex that had a similar shape, and at the time I wanted it something that would be very reliable, didn't need all that power, and more affordable. Plus, this has a CVT automatic transmission, so there's no shifting. It's real easy to drive. I have on the other side of this some of my build pics. I'll show you the chassis being made up.
Interesting.
Body. I'm not a body guy. The chassis is 140 lineal feet of 1.5 inch DOM steel tubing and a Harbor Freight tubing bender. And once I experimented with the dies and found out all my bend radius, I laid it out on my CAD system. You get all the basics design layout. And then started out with just a piece of level area in my garage, laid out the chassis. And wasn't sure of the powertrain directly from the beginning, but ended up with Honda for its reliability. The body itself is a composite of extruded polystyrene, fiberglass sandwiched on the inside, and the outside is carbon fiber. And then the maroon cover is Kevlar sheet. And that's more for decorative, but it kind of branches it out. So the idea was to use exotic materials, keep it real light, go with a minimal power train that would still push it pretty quickly and yet get good gas miles. So in the end, 0 to 60 is just under 6 seconds, and it still gets almost 40 mpg.
Wow. What's it weigh? Have any idea?
It weighed dry weight was 815 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Is that real?
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.